What's up YouTube, it's me again with another video. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to color correction in After Effects without any third-party plugins such as Magic Bullet, these 30 par, these 30 par, third-party plugins I mean guys. So the ones these are really paid guys. You cannot actually afford them, right guys? So example like the Magic Bullet. Example, if you don't have looks, mojo, or film, guess then it's gonna be really costly or cost a Vista. So yeah, let's do this in the most basic way, guys. So go to the effect, let's look for the color correction, and one of my personal favorites is the curves effect. One this actually represents the dark pixels here, and this one represents the white pixels. Okay, guess this is let's start with the RBG. It depends on your footage, guys. You can actually color correct your footage whatever you like, guys. So let's color correct my footage first. It's a bit underexposed. I think about it's supposed to be good. Let's see. Okay, that looks good. Red. Put another pin here, and you just slide it out. If you want to remove this, you just actually does this, and it just remove it. It's remove a bit of those red highlights, guys. Yes, green here. It's remove a bit of the green highlights, guys, in the foreground, and also the blue a bit, guys. To remove a bit of that blue highlights. As you can see, the effects before and after. Look at this. Now, another effect that I like is levels. This is the levels effect. As you can see, there's actually a histogram, guys, in here. So when I slide this on, you're making the light pixels lighter. If you slide it down, you're making the footage darker, I guess. Now you start with the red channel, guys. Yes, the red, green is. You can also color correct. This is a reminder, guys. You can actually color correct your footage whatever you like, guys. So let me color correct my footage this time, guys. Let's do. There's nothing in the alpha channel. Let's see. Don't be shy, guys. Just pick these effects to see if it works for you, guys. So another one that I like is actually let's see. I think vibrance. Let's jack out the vibrance of this footage. It's getting a bit more contrast back, guys. As you can see, it's making a bit more contrast, guys. I don't want to overdo. If you overdo this, then your footage will look like this really ugly footage. So personally, I keep mine about this. And also the saturation a bit more, just a bit like 1 or so. So as you can see, before and after color correcting, you should get your footage something like this. As you can see the pixels. So now I want to really sharpen my footage, guys. So yes, search for unsharp mask, sharpening. Sharpening. Blur and sharpen. I want to really sharpen that footage a bit, guys. Jack that off. No, you cannot jack that off, cause make it really ugly footage. And I think a bit sharpen, guys. I think the footage needs to be like 6 or 5. Okay, that looks pretty really good, guys. Footage. Okay, I know some of you are really confused about my tutorials because I don't know what I'm doing. remember, wait. Remember guys, don't be shy. Just actually select one of these settings. Select one of these settings if which one is the best for you guys. So why did I use the sharpen effect? Because this is gonna really sharpen my footage a bit, like as you can see, before and after. I don't know you can see that, but you need to try to zoom it in. Okay, you really see I really sharpen my footage. So that is actually basic car correcting tutorial here, guys. So that is it for today, guys. If you like this video or any of my other videos, guys, please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon for the next video, guys. Peace.